Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing obvious dust traps so cleaning actually works. First, declutter surfaces and fold or remove extra fabrics. They capture particles. Next, briefly ventilate. 5–10 minutes is enough when outdoor air is drier to move settled dust into the airflow. Put on a simple mask and gather microfiber cloths, a HEPA filter vacuum, and a lint roller. These tools pick up fine particles instead of redistributing them. Once set, move room to room systematically from top to bottom and proceed to wipe and vacuum. You now perform focused cleaning to remove embedded dust. Start high, dust ceilings, fan blades, and upper shelves so particles fall downward. Then vacuum with a HEPA machine using brush attachments for lampshades, upholstery, and mattress seams. This captures allergenic particles. After vacuuming, wipe surfaces with a slightly damp microfiber cloth to trap particles instead of pushing them around. Launder curtains and bedding at hot temperatures where safe, 60 degrees C when fabrics allow, to remove dust mites. Make sure to empty vacuum canister outdoors. You finish by setting sustainable habits that prevent dust from rebuilding. Implement a weekly quick clean and a monthly deep clean so dust never accumulates again. Run a HEPA air purifier on medium and aim for 40–50% humidity. That balance reduces airborne dust and dust mite survival. If dust redeposits quickly, troubleshoot. Check HVAC vents, replace furnace or purifier filters, and inspect textile sources like old rugs or pet bedding. If you still see heavy dust, reevaluate ventilation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.